Hey guys, who's hungry? We are at Margaritas in Lansdale, getting dinner and saying goodbye before we go inside. So have a great night, guys. See you. Side plate. This is my chicken and shrimp fajitas, and my second side plate, and a ham. And this is the tortillas, chips. And then if you look up here, we're in a private room. So that's pretty cool. There's a frog on the wall. There's a really large vase over here. So we sing it loudly so everyone will know. We wish you happy birthday, circle dance and go. So not only is there a parrot table, but it matches these very cool parrot chairs in this very cool private room.